Okay na.
Dismount ba, dismount ba. Pavuds.
Babantayan ko yung DA na yan.
Yeah, pavuds. Walk. Listen, they have bros, okay? They have bros. Listen, we can hit shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just hit shallow. Come back pass. We kite. Full kite, come southwest. Listen, we can hit them over the wall soon, okay? Listen, defense. Listen, west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, just hit shallow. Hit shallow. Come back. Full kite now. Hold them now. Listen, come southwest side. You walk southwest. And both against the side. Punish against the side. Keep walking southwest. Keep walking southwest. Keep walking southwest. Yo, help your western front. Listen, walk southwest for now. Walk. Walking it up.
Full brawl ito ha.
Yeah, just hold on. Listen, OC. Don't forget the OC, okay, boys? Listen, walk southwest. Listen, stay together, man. Stay compact. Listen, come southwest. Walk southwest for now. Just walk.
Rotating some.
Just walk together. Don't overextend, boys. Listen, come southeast. Stick together, man. Listen, come northeast.
Really?
Cover this. Notice in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the shallow. I need my DPS to connect, man. Listen, come southwest. Listen, demons. When you see infinity coming, demons. Okay? Listen, walk southeast. Listen, listen, armors. Yo, my armors, okay? Listen, my armors. You need to be in discipline, okay? Don't fucking pop your armors. Listen. Yo, kiss armors. Listen, Sharon, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Come back. Got you. Yo, defensive best. Fully best. Walk northeast now. Walk northeast. Don't leave your boss at the front. Listen. Hold on me now. Yo, listen. Come here. You come northeast now. Actually, you come northwest. Walk northwest. Walk west. Listen. Walk west. Just walk west. They're turning soon. Listen. Demons now. Yo, find me now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where's the Talo? Listen.
Brawlers coming in.
Curtis. Fully best. We full kite now. We full kite. We full kite. We go to. And the border against the side. This border against the side is we kite northeast. Border against the side is we kite northeast. Listen, don't overextend, man. Just walk together, man. Fucking stay inside. Hold for now. Listen, come here. You come here. Is that coming in? Listen, you come here. Just walk.
Okay, they're coming in. Looking sa'yo.
Yeah, it's okay. Just chill. My DPS, you need to stick together with me, okay? Stick together. This is my club. Walk. Listen, read the demons. Listen, we can hit shallow west, okay? At 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow west. Listen. Come back pass. You don't need to stop the fucking engage, man. Just come. If you see enemies already inside, that's the way the time you're gonna fucking hold them. Just don't fucking stop them. We're too far away. It's really safe. Just walk. Get them up the side. Get the guys inside. Yo, listen. Walk west with me. Listen, they're gonna try to full fucking engages, okay? Listen, Eddie. I'm gonna do a fake here. Listen. Come back. They just the DJ, okay? Listen. Come. Walk me. You listen, come here now. Come here now. Just come here. Top the J in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After the J now, after the J west side, after the J west side. Listen, come here, we full kite. The demons, demons out, listen, Border against the side, walks out, full defense, listen, walk east, listen, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, watch out this, death, man, DPS, man, listen, walks out, gets out, decide. Hug the ollies. Hug the ollies. Listen, we get shallow north at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow north now. Kill against the side. Listen, my DPS first, man. Listen, you kite this. Boulder against the side, you kite this. Demons out. Listen, walk in. In the portions, okay? Walk in. Rest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, West Side, watch out east, nice shit, you push to north, and both against the side, you push to north and both against the side, don't get engaged, listen, defend engage, listen, get ready, walk in again, so this is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, watch out the numbers, this is both against the side now, pressure now, listen, walk there, stop this, hold this, oh, push on this, you push on this now, pull push on this, yes, we need to cut, hit up, to stay, West Side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, West Side 10 now, listen, you push on this, keep pushing on this, down the choke, stop in the choke, full choke it up, full holding the choke, keep fighting now, keep fighting, stabilize, nice shit, good shit, boys, now it's fucking just stay, we good, now we wait for cooldowns now, listen, who walks out, got you, hold on, what's happening now, let's see, come on, good shit, boys, good shit, keep walking now, west, are you fucking blind, I'm in the west side, fucking west, fucking eyes, man, got you, just keep walking west now,
Dapat sila.
Yeah, no, just keep walking west.
Watch ako last stand.
Just keep walking west. Listen, we're gonna full send west. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You full send west. Watch out this. Nice shit. Yo, listen. Kite this. Yo, listen. Kite this. And board against the side. You kite this and board against the side. Nice demons. Listen, you kite this now. You get a full turn on us. Listen, full kite this. Come on. Down the choke now. We get a challenge out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You turn south. Watch out this. Nice fucking shit. You can't pass now. Defense cancels now. You need to pass the choke west. You need to pass the choke west. Now. Stabilize for now. Listen, stabilize. Come in. Walk east with me. Walk east with me. Walk south. You walk southeast. Just follow me, man. You walk southeast. You walk southeast. Comes out. Listen. Okay, listen, spread the toe. Come here twice. Don't go east. Come west. Southwest side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest side. Listen, you push to west and board against the side. Kill against the side. Board against the side. Let's just stabilize on me. Listen, don't use your east man if you're late. Save your east for now. Come west. Got you, baby. Just come west and stabilize. You walks out now.
Two screens tayo.
Got you. Just walks out. Listen, hug the west wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southwest center choke, southwest center choke, southwest center choke, southwest center choke. Listen, come this, nice shot. Listen, you can't do this. Hold him in the choke, hold him in the west, you can't do this, kite north for now, got to, just kite north, fucking north. Don't stop for everyone, just keep walking. Where's the enemies now? Listen, hold me.
Southeast.
Send us out this side. Listen, got you. Walks out. Actually, come back. Come. Down the chokis. The best. Just down the chokis. Just pass through. You need to find me. Pass through. You need to find me. You need to find me now. You need to find me now. Listen, come. Listen, come.
Inside mo.
Gotcha, comes out. Yo, fully comes out. Just walks out. Jaden in the west, please. Jaden in the west, listen, Jaden in the west. Just walks out. Keep walking south. The best comes out west. Yo, we got turn north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, north on the back line. You push us out west. Get away from the north side. He pushes out west. You kite southwest. You kite southwest. Cut out the choke. Hold him.
Bumitaw
Hold
na.
him up now. Hold him up ping. Don't walk. Yo, listen, where's enemies now?
Northeast mo.
Northeast, where's the last time? Mounting. Yo,
Yeah.
come. We get a Papa Boots west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Puppy Boots. How much percentage does fucking Once Upon a Time have?
Yeah, I'm checking.
Yeah, mount up. Come west. Mount up and come west. Come southwest.
Once upon a time, level 14 on ping. On this mountain, diba?
I bail. No.
Laki nila.